The verb have is irregular. It's different, just like the verb go. Let's take a look. I have, you have, we have, they have, he, she, it haves. Nope. It's irregular. It's different. He, she, it has. The base verb have changes to has when the subject is he, she, or it. The verb have is used with nouns to talk about possessions. Do you remember what a noun is? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Let's look at some examples. I have a car. My house has a one-car garage. They have 2 cars. He has a gray car, and she has a blue car. Their house has a 2-car garage. We have cars. New York is a big city. New York has lots of public transportation. It has buses, it has taxis, and it has subways. Big cities have lots of public transportation. How about you? Do you have a car? Do you have a truck? Do you have a motorcycle? Or do you use public transportation? Have is also used with infinitive verbs. Do you remember what an infinitive verb is? An infinitive verb is a base verb with the word to in front of it. Have is used with infinitive verbs to talk about obligations. Let's look at some examples. I have to clean my house. But I have a small house, so it's okay. I have to get up early every morning. I have to get up at 6 a.m. I have to get up early because I have to work. I'm a teacher. I have to teach my classes. I have to work because I have to pay my bills. I have to pay my electric bill. I have to pay my water bill. And I have to pay my phone bill. This is my brother Joe. He's an apartment manager. Joe has to do lots of yard work. He has to read emails and he has to talk on the phone. How about you? What do you have to do?